Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. If you're new to the channel, I'm Rebecca. Today we're going to be heading to the kitchen and make a really quick and easy salad you can put together in a matter of minutes. I'll be doing some summer salads with you guys, and here is one of them. It is my take on a Mexican street corn salad. It's light and refreshing and can handle the heat on a summer day, or it's a wonderful side to have any time of year, perhaps with a taco or fajita, or whenever you're in the mood for a nice refreshing corn salad. So let's head to the kitchen and make my take on the Mexican street corn salad. Alright, so first we need to do is create our salad base. So what I'm going to do is add a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Then I'll add 8 ounces or 1 cup of queso fresco, or you can use a cotija cheese or a feta cheese as well, and crumble it up real nice. Get the size pieces that you would like. And then we're going to take the juice of 1 lime. Then we'll add some nice spice and flavor to the salad base. So we're going to add 1 jalapeno that's been diced up. If you don't like your salad too spicy, you could certainly remove the seeds and the membrane of the jalapeno pepper. Next we'll add 1 small shallot that's been diced up. If you don't have a shallot, you can use a red onion or a white onion, and just be a couple tablespoons of the onion minced up. Then we'll add a 1/2 cup of parsley that's been minced. This is a fresh parsley. If you prefer cilantro, you can use that instead. Now we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, which ends up being about 2 cloves of garlic that has been minced. We'll mix this together. And now we're going to add our corn. So I like to add about 5 cups of corn. You can use frozen corn that's been thawed and drained. You can use whole canned corn that's been drained, or this is a great way to use up leftover corn on the cob that's been cooked. You can just cut it off of the cob. So we'll add 5 cups of corn here. We'll just mix that through that salad base that we created. Then the last ingredient that we add will be salt. So let's have a taste, see if we need to add any salt. I think it's nice just how it is, but you could certainly add salt to taste, maybe a 1/2 teaspoon of salt if you want that little bit of saltiness to your salad. It really just depends on how salty the cheese is that you're using. This is a nice mild and sweet salad. Let me put this into a different bowl and we can have a closer look and another taste. Alright, so here we have my version of Mexican street corn salad. This is a nice, light and refreshing salad, really quick and easy to put together. You can serve it warm, cold, or room temperature. I prefer to serve it nice and cool. There's a nice amount of spice with it, with that chili powder and the red pepper flakes and the jalapeno, and you get that freshness with the fresh parsley and the lime juice, and a nice creamy and smooth mild cheese with the queso fresco or cotija, or if you can't find either of those cheeses, you could certainly use feta cheese. So let me spoon some of this into this bowl here. This would be great with steaks or steak fajitas or something for a barbecue, or to bring as a dish to pass. And as I mentioned earlier, what a great way to have another flavor for corn on the cob leftovers. So this was a quick and easy summer salad that you could whip up in a matter of minutes, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Keep watching because I'll be sharing with you a number of other recipes I have that work great for summer salads. They're wonderful to bring to a potluck, to have at a barbecue, or to share with your friends and family when they come over during those warmer months of the year. If you'd like more inspiration on other recipes or food preservation projects, be sure to check out those playlists on the topics. And I really appreciate you taking time out of your day to hang out with me while we made this quick and easy Mexican street corn salad. I hope you continue watching my channel, The Home and Homestead, for more homemade, homegrown, and home-style inspiration. If you enjoyed this or any other video that you watch, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Well, I hope you're having a great day. See you next time. Take care.